Uptown Swing.
Level 1, 8
8
count. Peter, bow.
Week number 6. You guys are crushing it with the
Yeah.
swing outs. Really started looking like swing outs today. So we worked on this little thing to remind you all, this weird practice, sort of face each other and go rock, step, triple step, Hadouken! Triple step, rock, step, triple step, work! Just to get that moment of turning yourself, leaders, and then we tried to put that into a swing out so we actually got all the way around. Turning, and then we move. Turning, and then we move. It was looking good. Then you had some solo follower practice time.
Yes, we did twists.
Stepping out.
And this is what we practice solo. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So on 7, 8, you can prep it a little bit to the left. And then on 1, 2, you swivel. And then just out there as homework, practice just twists. It needs to be separate steps. So you're not just glued to the floor and twisting. It's a step, 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 step. Practice that.
And leaders, we sort of reminded you of our practice for the swing out where we turn all the way around. Hey, we want to get you down and sturdy so you can't get knocked over. And then we talked about when you finish it, you got to finish it here with your right leg behind you. You'll be a little bit open. You keep that when you start the next one. So not this, no. You don't pull with your left side on that first count. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Then we put those together. And we practiced doing a swing out and then just an 8 count in place just to see if we could kind of set a new default for the followers.
Yeah.
Swing it out. She's cool just being right there. We're just chilling.
Twist.
And she can twist.
Twist, twist, twist.
I can bring her in.
1, 2.
So you can just chill right there. It's a practice step, but you can try it. Then we did something very similar. We tried some rhythm breaks. So we did out and in. We went and out and in. Ba 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 ba. And we could just put a swing out right afterwards. Shaboop, shaba, shaboop, ba 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 ba. Hey. Then we did the same thing except low downs. Let's show it this way. So with low downs, we went 5, 6, 7, 8. Low down. Ha ha. Ba 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 ba. Rock step. Here's what it looks like together. 6, 7, 8. Ha ho. Ha ha, ha ho, ha ha, ha ho, hey. And you can try it a bunch. You look good, everybody. Pew, pew, pew.